Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Internet Explorer cannot display the page and diagnose connection problems error in Windows 7. First step is open Internet Explorer, open Safety, click Delete Browsing History. Select all options. Second step is open Internet Options. Click Advanced tab, click Restore Advanced Settings, click Reset. Third step is click Change Date and Time Settings. Set correct date and time. Also change time zone. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.